Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can get our Messenger app without the Facebook app. So without any delay, let's jump right onto it. When we open our Facebook account, we can see that we are currently logged into our account. Similarly, when we close the app and go to our Messenger app, we can see that we are still logged into the same account. So to access only Messenger account, you must log out of the Facebook app. Now when we open our Facebook app, we can see the 3 lines option which is located at the top right corner of the screen. So just click on it, and when we click on the option, we can see the logout option which is at the bottom of the screen. So just click on the logout option. Once we click on that option, we can see a pop-up saying, "Are you sure to log out of your account?" So just tap on the logout option again. And we have been logged out from our Facebook account. But if we see on our Messenger app, we can see that we are still logged in. So this is the process how you can get your Messenger app without any Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. This was it guys. Thank you for watching.